Hello, in front of me I've got Silvermonkey K90. In this video I'll show you how to pair it with PC. In the beginning, turn your keyboard over and open this cover. Now remove this dongle from this place under the cover, close the cover, turn the keyboard over and plug this dongle to your PC. Once it's plugged, we can go to Device Manager, Keyboards, and as you can see the keyboard is recognized. Let's try to use it. And as you can see, it's working fine. Of course, make sure that your keyboard is turned on. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.